The new tongue and groove plier from Crescent is a must-have tool for anyone who works with plumbing. 3 Crescent innovations make these pliers stand out from all others. First, deep-set V jaws wrap securely around pipes and fittings for a tighter grip. The Crescent-engineered tooth design angles to each direction of the V. Teeth bite on all sides to reduce slippage, allowing you to apply more torque with less effort. Available in 10-inch and 12-inch sizes, the Crescent Tongue and Groove pliers have extra adjustment positions for an even better fit. Next, and perhaps the feature you will most appreciate on the Crescent Tongue and Groove plier, is the integrated non-marring grip. High-impact rubber grips built into the handle grasp work with ease and protect expensive fixtures from scratches. No more rags or using handles on the inside of pipes. And third, exposed steel tips at the end of each handle are exceptionally useful for reaming, deburring, prying, and removing tub drains. Like all Crescent products, these pliers are built to last. Alloy steel construction and induction-hardened teeth maximize durability. A black oxide finish resists corrosion, and the exposed tip design prevents the handle grips from sliding off.
Capri Tools bolt cutter is a destructive masterpiece, designed to cut through even your toughest jobs. It can easily cut through chains, nails, bolts, heavy-duty cable, and plenty of other strong metals. Every Capri Tools bolt cutter has heat-treated chromoly jaws, which have been shown to be stronger and more durable than chrome vanadium or carbon steel jaws. During an extensive cutting test, the Capri Tools bolt cutter experienced some chipped paint on the jaws, while another popular brand suffered some significant damage, reducing its effectiveness as a tool. The last thing you need is for your bolt cutters to fail you in the middle of an important job. Capri Tools bolt cutters also have serrated edges on both sides for a better slice, unlike other bolt cutters that only contain one or none. You can see here the oversized nuts that stabilize the cutters and add leverage for user convenience. Add ergonomic grips for comfortable handling and you've got a truly solid bolt cutter. If in doubt, remember that Capri Tools offers a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Available in 12-inch, 14-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, and 36-inch sizes, the Capri Tools bolt cutters can cover all your heavy-duty needs with a jaw opening range from 5/32 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch. So order a set today and revolutionize the way you cut.
Trying to create a level surface to secure your ladder is often an accident just waiting to happen. Introducing the Level-Lock Quick Connect Ladder Leveling System, the fastest, most efficient way to level any extension or combination ladder. Simply secure one Quick Connect base unit to each ladder rail. Align the 3 leveler knobs, then push in and up to snap lock into place. It's that easy. Within seconds, you can attach the leveler to either side of your ladder, making it safer and easier to tackle those difficult jobs. The Level-Lock Quick Connect leveler can be quickly removed by activating the release lever at the top of the base unit. Once removed, the leveler can be stored securely away. Now you can own the same industrial-grade leveling system chosen by major construction, telephone, and power utility companies.
Hi, I'm Ty with Rigid Power Tools. We're always thinking outside the box when it comes to your job site needs. The new 12-volt Palm Impact Screwdriver helps you tackle tough driving applications in a whole new way. Push-to-drive technology activates this cordless driver through pressure, eliminating the need for a trigger. The internal pressure-sensitive switch allows you to control the tool's speed by applying less pressure for slower applications and more pressure for high-speed applications. The compact design allows you to work in tight spaces that you couldn't easily get to with a drill. The integrated grip light works independently of the drive switch and illuminates your work surface and your fuel gauge. This Palm Impact Screwdriver is also designed with a one-handed quick load collet, allowing you to quickly switch bits. And the Hex Grip Microtexture provides maximum user comfort all day long.